Then we talk about transformation, means every energy converted into some energy. That's always kinetic. Potential energy is always converted into kinetic energy, and then that kinetic energy can convert it to anyone. So the state that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, we have known that key energy cannot be created nor be destroyed. It always changes from one form to another. So that is total energy is always conserved. Means if I am converting 20% potential energy, so it will convert into 20% kinetic energy. So there is no creation, no destruction. It is always being transferred from one form to another. So total energy is being conserved. Earlier it was 20. After also it will remain as 20. So they have taken an example. Taken a coconut hanging from the tree at the height h. The potential energy is only there because it is at the rest right now. It is hanging from the tree, means it is only having a potential energy and no kinetic energy. So they are saying at this position it is having a potential energy. The moment the coconut falls, while it is falling, it will convert into a kinetic energy, because while falling, it is falling, that potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, because now that coconut is in motion. Now it is falling down. It is falling down means that potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. And the moment that coconut falls down and fall at the ground, the moment it fall at the ground means it comes to unrest, means it is converted into a potential energy. The moment it come to unrest, it will convert into a potential energy. Means first of all it was in potential energy, while coming down that potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. That kinetic energy converted into potential energy the moment that coconut comes to unrest. Comes to unrest means it falls down on the earth and come to a rest position, means that kinetic energy is converted into potential energy. So always energy is being transferred from one form to another. Same they have taken for stretched bow. If I am stretching it, mean it is in potential energy. The moment I will release it, it will start moving with some speed. So mean it is converted into one kinetic energy. Same goes for here. If the ball is, if I am holding this ball, means it is having potential energy. The moment I will release it, it will start moving to and fro. To and fro means it is start moving. Coming into an motion means it is converted into kinetic energy. The moment it will comes to unrest, it will come at rest here. The moment it will come at rest, it will convert into potential energy. So always kinetic is converted into potential and potential is converted into kinetic. So they start converting. They both convert each other. And whenever we have seen in our tube lights, in our mobile, in every motors, in everything when we have applied, we have switched it on for many times, it start heating up. So that heat is also there. So they are always saying whenever we convert the light, there is a conversion of light, there is always an extra energy being created, that is heat energy. Whenever we use our mobile, after some time it is got heat up because we have used it for so long. Same goes for your bulb, tube lights. It start heating up, because we have switched it on for many long time. Your cars start heating up, it's giving out that steam, the water gets steam up because you have used the car for so long. So there is a loss of energy in the form of heat energy. So whenever there is a conservation, means earlier it is 20, it will remain 20, means earlier it was 10, it will remain as 10, but some energy is being converted and there is some loss also there in the form of heat, that is being added up to give a total same. Earlier it was 10, it will remain as 10, but there is extra, means 100, if I have given 100% potential energy, 90% of potential energy is being converted and 10% in the form of heat. There is no total conversion, there is no conservation like 100 means give hundreds only. 100 potential will give 90% kinetic plus 10% heat. So it will be 100 is equal to 90 plus 10, 100. Remain conserved. Same goes for your roller coaster. While the roller coaster is at some position at rest, means it is at potential energy. That potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. The moment that roller coaster comes to unrest, then again it is potential energy. Start moving, it is converted into kinetic energy. And the moment that roller coaster stops, it will convert into potential energy. So the moment it is at rest, it is potential. The moment the roller coaster is moving, it is having a kinetic energy. Same goes for your dams. The water is at rest. So at the height, you throw that water over a turbine. So turbines start moving. So that potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. Now that kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy, because now that electrical energy will form electricity and comes to our home. So potential energy in reservoir where water is stored, the potential energy, the water is going and falling over the turbine, so it is converted into kinetic energy. In the generator, the electricity is formed, so electrical energy. So from potential to kinetic, kinetic to electrical energy. This is how in the dam the energy is being formed. Then we have power. Power is something, rate of doing work. Rate of doing work, the work we are doing at particular time. That is power. So power is the work done which we are doing in particular time. That is power. Power is equal to work upon time. Work is joule. Time is seconds. The unit come out to be joule second. But mainly we always use watt. We use watt. We can use joule per second also. Like in work done, we can use Newton meter, but we mainly use joule. Same for power, we can use joule per second, but we mainly use watt. So they have shown some conversion. Kilo means 1000. So 10 raised to power 3 means 3 zeros. Same 1000 only. So 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. 1 megawatt is equal to 10 raised to power 6 watt. Mega means 10 6 zeros. 3 4 5 6. So you have to learn this. And in your engines, like in your car engines, every heavy machines have that power in the form of horsepower. Also you have seen that movie Fast and Furious. There also they use some excess cylinder for horsepower. So that is horsepower being concerned with heavy machines like your cars. So 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. So 1 horsepower have this much of power, lot of power. So power is depending upon work. So means the more work done I will do, more power will be there. But if I use less time, more power will be there. So time, it is inversely proportional. More time, less power. Less time, more power. So work done more, power more. Work done less, power less.